friends, I got a weird one for you about an article Canada just put out yesterday about shooting down a UFO. Do you remember seeing this video from years ago on February 22nd, 1996? February 22nd is a key date here. Do not forget that. Of the Tether incident that apparently took place out in space, where a 17-mile-long tether broke off of a space station, and as they filmed it, they zoomed in and captured all these weird-looking objects floating past the tether. Now, many people have tried to debunk this video and try to explain that this is just weird stuff floating in the foreground, but take a look at the shape of these apparent objects and compare it to an article that Canada literally released yesterday, December 8th, of an updated image from a UFO shoot down. Yes, they claim to have shot down a UFO over Canada back in February of 2023, 27 years to the month later after this NASA incident took place. Canada claims it shot down this UFO, and then only yesterday, December 8th, 2024, did they update the image and re-release it to the public. According to a defense spokesperson, the image was taken from a Royal Canadian Air Force CP-140 Aurora long-range patrol aircraft before the object was downed by a US F-22 fighter jet. The UFO was shot down on February 11th, 2023, shortly after it entered Canadian airspace through Alaska. It was one of 3 unidentified objects blasted out of the sky that month, according to CTV News. Okay, so now we know that the UFO was actually over Alaska and then moved into Canada and then was shot down by US F-22s. Such a wild story. Now, right off the bat, I do not trust NASA as far as I can throw them, but I cannot ignore the fact that with all this drone stuff going on in Jersey and the United States, and the fact that we discovered military escorts taking place right over these areas, that is leading me to believe that this is a giant surveillance situation or some sort of test to see how the public is going to react to this. I mean, take a look at these images from Canada, and the timing of Canada releasing this is insane. Why wait till yesterday of all days to re-release an image from February of 2023? It just seems like all this UFO and drone stuff is being put out to the public by design, and it's triggering us to remember other videos like I'm doing right here. These look almost exactly the same. You have the circle in the middle and then the cutout on one side of the dish-looking craft. Just something that's very hard to ignore. What could possibly be the end goal here? Is this about causing some sort of fake alien invasion in order to get some sort of ultimate control over the human population? It's been said time and time again that if a great outside threat were to take place and put every human being on Earth in danger, of course the goal would be for everyone to come together in one way or another to help stop it. Sounds a little bit like the New World Order to me. Alright, my friends, let me know your thoughts down below. This UFO and drone stuff is getting out of control. I appreciate you all. Hope you had a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.